Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, in this question they have asked to calculate the KLA for oxygen at different agitation rates and at different gas flow rates. First we have to calculate the dissolved oxygen concentration, that is the value of C at each time point using the given DO percentage values. The formula for this is capital C is equals to DO percentage divided by 100 into C, where C is the saturation concentration of oxygen in the water. We can assume that the experiment is conducted at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure. The saturation concentration, that is CSAT, of oxygen in water is approximately 8.26 mg per liter. Next we have to calculate the rate of change of dissolved oxygen concentration, which is dC by dt. We can calculate this by calculating the difference in concentration between consecutive time points and dividing by the time difference. Now we can calculate the volumetric mass transfer coefficient, which is known as KLA, using the formula KLA is equals to 1 by C multiplied with dC by dt. Now the values calculated are: first, for condition with 2 lpm flow and 300 rpm, these are the calculated values. Next, for 2 lpm flow with 375 rpm, and next 2 lpm flow with 450 rpm. These are the values for the condition with 1.5 lpm and 375 rpm. Next, for condition 0.7 lpm and 375 rpm. We can see that as the agitation rate increases, the KLA values also increase. This indicates that higher agitation rates leads to better oxygen transfer. Also, as the gas flow rate increases, the KLA values also increase, which indicates that higher gas flow rates lead to better oxygen transfer. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you.